students of class 11. Today in economics class I am Hira Misra, your SST teacher. Today we will start chapter first, Indian economy on the eve of independence. In this chapter we will discuss means about the independence and after independence, before independence, means what is the condition of economy of India. Okay, so India known as the golden bird because it's rich and prosperous in ancient time, its tradition, its awareness, everything, culture means famous in all over the world. But means in colonial rule before Britishers, what happened means everywhere kings and emperors were ruled that time, and they have no much more advanced technology, neither idea, because lack of technician education system. Okay, India got independence on 15th August 1947. Before it, kings rule, colonial rules means here in India. After independence, means Indians having awareness about it, means we are working under to anyone. So means they have done very much more efforts for the much more production. And in British rule in India, means this country become only the supplier of raw materials. Means for the Britishers, they were growing their crops like indigo, like coffee, tea, these things only for the supply for the Britishers, and they were taking advantage of that raw material. They were doing manufacture in their country, and after that for the selling that product as the consumers, they were selling their product in Indian market and got much more benefit, much more coins, silver coins, rupees they have taken from our country. Okay, तो स्टूडेंट्स आपको पता है कि भारत जो है समृद्धशाली देश था, गौरवशाली था, लेकिन इतने लोगों के यहाँ पर आक्रमण के बाद, इतने लोगों के यहाँ पर प्रशासन के बाद, वो लोग जो रूल कर रहे थे ब्रिटिशर्स, तुर्कीज, फ्रांसीज, तो यहाँ की समृद्धि धीरे धीरे वो लोग अपनी कंट्री में लेकर चले गए और यहाँ पर जो है बहुत कम विकास की स्थिति उस समय थी. ओके, और उसके बाद क्या हुआ, मीन्स वॉट एवर लो लेवल ऑफ इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट अंडर द कॉलोनियल रूल, इट इज द फर्स्ट हेडलाइन ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. मीन्स लो लेवल इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट अंडर द कॉलोनियल रूल. कॉलोनियल रूल के अंतर्गत बहुत लो लेवल में हमारे यहाँ इकोनॉमिकल डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है, बिकॉज पीपल्स वेयर ओनली स्प्रेडिंग and spending their time and resources only for maintaining peacefulness. Okay, so and after that means Britishers came in India. They have given a lot of techniques, ideas, and Indians also become involved on their technology. And before it, Indians traditional weavers, handcrafts, these things very famous in India. Indians weavers and handcrafts famous in all over the world. That time they were making amazing things. Okay, in Indian handcrafts, textile industry, cotton and stone work is very famous in all over the world. You have seen ancient temples a lot of in India, having amazing example of that. And in India, some peoples have started their estimate of growing their economy. Means first step they have taken attempt like Dadabhai Naoroji and V.K.R.V. Rao's estimate during the colonial government. They have also played a very important role for increasing the economy. And after that, colonial government have also means some ideas they have taken for the improving our economy. They have also made their estimate and attempt for growing the economy of India. Okay, in this way means economical development become means arises started from that time with very low speed, very slowly. Okay, for the increasing Indian economy, the first and major source of agricultural sector. Agricultural sector, means 85% people directly or indirectly involved in agriculture that time, and only farming is the major source of earning that time. Peoples were, you know cultivating fields much more that time, means land areas become increased and peoples growing their crops on their field. Farmers condition were not good that time, and farmers forced for growing the crops according to wish, according to, means settlement of Britishers, whatever. Britishers in Jamindari system were taking revenue of that farmers, and they have no care about the condition of cultivators. They were taking their production only that time, and they have their policy only for earning from the India, not for the well-wishing and for the improving the condition of Indian farmers. Okay, and that time in the land having no much more technology used, neither fertilizers, pesticides, irrigation systems also not good that time. So production that time were very small in quantity, very few in quantity. A lot of peoples, like the Bihar, Champaran, you have seen, you have learned. If don't know it, means people's forced for the growing the indigo crops, and Britishers were taking their much more percentage as the revenue. In Jamindari, Rayatwadi system in West Bengal, means these things means were spread in India, means by this people faced much more problem in India agricultural sector. Okay, means Indian production, Indians product much more taken advantage by Britishers, because they have made Indian the source of, means production, means raw material they were taking from India, and Indian farmers forced for growing those crops, professional crops, commercial crops, and they were even dying by the starvation. यहाँ पे लोग भूखों मर रहे थे, लेकिन यहाँ पे व्यावसायिक फसल उगाने के लिए जो भारतीय किसान थे वो फोर्स थे, मजबूर थे, उनको अपने ही खेत में मजदूरों की तरह काम कराया जाता था, और ब्रिटिशर्स जो थे यहाँ का सारा बेनिफिट ले जा करके अपने यहाँ मैन्युफैक्चर करके उसको कंप्लीट गुड्स में चेंज करके फिर भारतीय बाजार में ला करके बेचा करते थे. ओके, सो वी कैन से दैट agricultural sector were not much more good and beneficial for the Indian farmers, means that time. Okay, and after that, industrial sector are also, means started to arising. Industrial sector under to it, condition was not so good in India. What is the production of Indians? They have no idea of manufacturing before, and peoples only become the exporter of raw material for the overall world, because farming were the only major occupation of Indians. Lack of education and technical guidelines. Okay, so after that, firstly, cotton mills become start, and Indians weavers condition and handicraft condition means become very poor, being declined from India due to the fast manufacturing center in Britain and European countries, because they were making their product manufacturing in low prices available in market, and Indian weavers were taking much more time and having no as cleanliness in their product. So मीन्स उनका रोजगार छिन गया, क्योंकि ब्रिटिशर्स जो थे कम रेट में ही मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करके प्रोडक्ट ला करके मार्केट में सेल करते थे, जिससे भारतीय जुलाहों की कंडीशन बहुत ही ख़राब हो गई, हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स की कंडीशन ख़राब हो गई, इन सब का प्लेस जो है यूरोपियन कंट्रीज ने ले लिया। ओके, आफ्टर दैट यू नो जूट मिल फर्स्टली बिकम सेटअप इन वेस्ट बंगाल, and you know cotton industries being started to open in Maharashtra and Gujarat. After that, one by one, means the condition of industrial sector of India becomes start in very slow motion, but not in very good condition. Okay, and after that, iron steel company, they have settled in Jharkhand by Tata Industries. Means in this way they have started their industrial means production and industrial development in India. Tata Iron and Steel Company set up in 1907. Means in this way, after that, means after Second World War, paper, sugar, cement, these mills and industries also started opening in India. Okay, means the industrial development become start on that time, but not in good condition. Capital goods industry, means industry where technicians and means the tools, machines can be made. Those condition also was not good of those industries, but become start after that time. Okay, foreign trade, under to foreign trade means Indian become an exporter of raw material that time, of the jute, indigo, spices, and means tea, coffee, these things. The much more production in India, cotton, means these things they were selling into the hand of Britishers, and they were purchasing from India, taking from India, and they were taking in their country, and they have grown their own economy. Okay, they have no care of Indians. In India, they were using of the farmers of Indians as the source of worker, as the workers they were treated, and overall monopoly and marketing become into the hand of Britishers, because means overall government they were ruling in India. Even they have came here for the trade, but become hyper upon Indians, because the gentility of Indians behavior. Okay, lack of awareness also. So means GDP also not growing so good. GDP rate of not in a high on that time. So the Indian condition were not much more good of that time. In foreign countries, after the making, after the Suez Canal, means Sri Lanka, Myanmar, and Britishers, European countries much more become the dependent of exchanging the goods and ideas. Okay.